Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be this month's mini subscription box from Vettsy. Please excuse that black, that's nail stamping polish that I've like got all over me, so just ignore it. So yeah, we have the little box, so we will go and open it up, see what we get inside. Obviously we get our little welcome card. I can find somewhere to put that over. So the first thing I see is this, which is a Nail Art Easy French. It has different numbers on. Easy French Smile Cut. I will have to look into how to actually use this. But yeah, here it is in different sizes, like, yeah, I don't know. I will have to look into how to use that, but yeah, here is that. It's very thin, these corners are quite sharp, so I will have to try and remain as careful as I can. So the next thing I see is some stickers. Ah, some pretty butterflies, and they have like a holographic sheen to them, and another set of stickers which are some cute pink flowers, kind of look a bit like hibiscus. I'm not super like up to date with like flowers and things like that. So the next thing I see is this tiny little pink tin. There's something in it. Okay, so here we have a magnet. I don't know what that's for. And this little thing here. Yeah, I have no idea what this is for or what that magnet is for. Not got a clue. If you know what this is, please let me know in the description box below, because that would be fantastic. Because I haven't got a donkey's. So the next thing I see here is some super fine holographic silver confetti glitter. Nice. There we go. Super nice. And the next thing I see is this, which looks like more glitters. It's got cling film wrapped around it to stop the glitter leaking, I suspect. That's what that is for. Or like that, when you accidentally, you know, just open the lids and it leaks everywhere. So, you know, or just make a mess like I do. Let's move that out the way a bit so you can see a bit better. So yeah, so we've got like a light green, a dark green, like a teal, a purple, a silvery pink, and a blue glitters. Nice. Yeah, don't make a mess like I did. The next thing I see here is nail and cuticle oil. Oh, that is a really nice bottle. I like that. Is it a roller? Yes, it's a roller. So that is very, very nice. And you just roll it on your cuticles and massage it in. It's a nice subtle scent to it. Yeah, nice pretty bottle. I like that. The next thing I see is a magnet that's used for cat eye, so I guess we are getting a cat eye polish in there. Oh, the next thing I see is a mini art palette on a ring. So you put it on your finger like that. You can put a little bit of nail polish on, and then say you've got like some false nail tips on you can hold it like this, and you have your brush and you dip and go like this. I'm not in frame, so you like dip it in there and you can paint on the nails. So super handy, nice and pretty. I will probably definitely be using that. Then the next thing I see are some 3D flowers, leaves and some little pearls. They are super duper nice. It seems like the colours have repeated, which is perfectly fine. So you've got like the purple, the green, the light peach, and then the dark peach, and some leaves and some pearls. Then the next thing I see in here, which has a number 11 on, I don't know what that means, is it open? No, it's sealed. But there's some super fine chains. I was wondering if there's a difference between them, but they all look the same to me. So I'm guessing it's style 11 for the chains. And then the last thing we have are the polishes we get for this month. So this is obviously a cat eye because we had the magnets for it, and then we have these two, which is looking like a very Christmassy red and green. So I am just going to go and swatch these, and I will be back, guys. Okay, so I am back. I have noticed something that Vettsy needs to work on. I very much doubt that they're going to see this video. They probably won't. But if you're going to put swatches, like on this one, you make your own swatch to go on there, right? So this one is mute. But if you're going to go to the effort of putting swatches of the colour that is on the pots, make sure that the colour actually matches what's on the pot, because this is like what it looks like in real life is the way it's lit up on my camera, right? So we have a Christmas red, which is called Hot Shot number 74. That is more like a peachy pinky, personally, than a red. That looks a bit too different from this. If I was picking up this, I would be expecting to get this colour, not this one that is at least 3 shades lighter than this one. And the same goes for this one as well, which is Maya, which looks like a Christmas green, and it's a blue. So if you're going to go to the effort of putting swatches on the stuff, yeah, you know, make sure that they match if you're going to bother to do that. So my little tirade about swatches not lining up, I have swatched them, so let's see. So number 74 Hot Shot, which is here, and you can see swatched, it's several shades lighter and it's more like a peach, but it is a very pretty colour. This is only one coat. It covered really, really well. I'm just one of these people that's like, if you're going to bother to put it on there, you know, make sure that it matches. So then we have this one, which is around the wrong way, 113, and here it is, which I said it's not even green, it's blue. Again, only one coat, perfect coverage, went on really, really super nice. And then this one is like a silvery cat eye, and I swatched it just on with no background colour and on a black for you guys. So the normal with no black, this is what it looks like. Only one coat, pretty good coverage, and we will see if we can get the shine on there for you to see. Very, very nice. And then I swatched it again with black underneath, and this is what it looks like if you put it over the top of a black. Again, very, very nice. So yeah, I really, really like these colours. I just wish, like, this blue is a stunning colour blue. It just doesn't match the colour that's on the bat. So I really like this box. We got a lot of stuff in there, stuff that I will actually use, like these chains and these flowers, etc. But yeah, if you're watching this and you know what the hell this little tin is for, please let me know, because I would love to know. Is it like you meant to like put the chains in there, but then that looks like they're too, like, it wouldn't fit in that tiny little square there? That just baffles me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I will see you in another video, guys. Bye.